Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you everything I got from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. This is a major I guess I got too excited there. But yes, if you want to see what I got, because I really got a lot of cool stuff, just keep on watching. So in the past few months, I stopped buying a lot of makeup because I feel like I already had enough. But you know, this time I really got carried away and I bought everything I needed or that I wanted on the sale. And at some point I even bought like 4 items of the same product. So I set up all the products I got between these 2 boxes because I literally got like 10 boxes of these and I don't think it was necessary to keep them all. So I set up everything in here and I'm going to start picking things and showing it to you guys. So I'm going to start with my MAC Fix Plus. I got 4 of these. This is like a setting spray. I use it a lot. I use it to set up my makeup and to emphasize some eyeshadows. This is an amazing product, so if you haven't tried it, I recommend you do. So yeah, my MAC Fix Plus. I also got an eyelash curler from Shiseido. I have no idea how you call this brand. The box came in kind of broken, but it's just an eyelash curler. I've never used an eyelash curler, but I've heard a lot of good things about these. So yep, I got an eyelash curler, guys. The next thing I got was the Lipstick Queen Frog Prince lipstick. And it comes in this little box. It's a really cute box. Oh nice, this packaging is really cool. It's like a matte packaging. Really pretty pink. And the cool thing about this lipstick is that it's green. It apparently has a cool technology. When you apply it on your lips, it interacts with your pH, so it gives you like this perfect rosy pink color on your lips. I've always wanted to buy this one, but I always thought it was too expensive for what it was. That's why when it was on sale, I couldn't resist. I want to see how it interacts with my skin. It looks like it's really clear. It's like a sheer color. So you can really tell the technology works. You know, it goes from a green to a really nice pink. So the next thing I bought is my Mario Badescu Vitamin C Serum. I love this thing. I've used it before. I think this is the 3rd or probably the 4th bottle I've bought. I like to use it at night. I like that it helps me with clear out imperfections, and it also hydrates my skin. If you haven't tried a serum, it's really good. And this one has a scent to it, like a citrusy smell. But anyways, I love this thing, so I got it. I also got another type of serum. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Never tried it, but heard really good things about this. I got 2 little boxes. This was the travel size. I don't know if you can tell how little it is. Compared to my other serum, look how tiny it looks. It has 0.24 fluid ounces. I'm really interested on how this would work on my skin. It says that it's good for all skin types, and it's proven to reduce major signs of visible aging. I'm getting old. From all the things I got, this is the one that excites me the most. I got some falsies. I'm not really big on falsies. I've only tried these ones that I got from Ardell. These are the number 105. So I feel like I needed an upgrade. These are really expensive for a normal human like me, honestly. This is the packaging right here. It's a really cool packaging, like really sturdy. It's like a really sturdy carton box. They come like this. Oh, nice. These are really, really pretty. It says, enjoy your new mink lashes. Thank us later. So these are the Wispy Sweet Nothings version. And it comes in this really clear and really pretty box. What really sold me on these lashes is that apparently they're good for 25 uses. And I feel like for me, that's a whole year use because I don't use lashes that much. I just started to use them. I'll probably use them more for my YouTube videos, but they look really, really pretty. And I'm excited about these. So hopefully they'll last me that long. And who knows, if I really like them, I probably will keep buying them. So yep, filler lashes, Wispy Sweet Nothing. If you were following the 21 Days of Beauty at all, you know that this was a big hit, the Anastasia Brow Wigs. I got 4 of these right here. I got them in the shade Ebony. These I use all the time. It's part of my makeup routine. That's how I do my brows and fill them out. So I feel like this is something that I couldn't pass. You know, I always use it. It's gonna be like a year use for me, so I am excited. Another cool thing I got was the Stila eyeliner, the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And I got it in the shade Intense Black. I don't know if you got to see my Sephora 2017 wish list. This was part of my wish list, and every time I went to a store, either Ulta or Sephora, I saw this in the counter and I was like, oh, I want it so bad. But I wouldn't get it because for me it was kind of expensive. But as soon as it went on sale, I'm like, yes, that is going to be part of my to buy list. So yeah, my sister-in-law raves about this thing and I've always been interested on it. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, yes. See this? I don't know if you can tell, but it doesn't bleed. It's a really, really good intense black. I like the tip of it. I am really, really excited. Another thing I bought was the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, the 4-in-1 mascara. I don't know why they call it 4-in-1. Do you guys know why they call it 4-in-1? Even though I loved my Urban Decay Perversion mascara, I was interested on this product because it always comes in sale during the 21 days of beauty sale, and a lot of people like this one. So I just wanted to know what the hype was all about. Oh, nice. Nice spoolie. It's a little bit smaller than my Urban Decay, but it looks promising. So I'm really, really excited and interested on trying this one. I'll let you know how much I like it later, okay? And the last items I got were 4 of the Too Faced Matte Melted Liquid Lipsticks. I love, love, love this formula. I have 2 of these already. I have Lady Balls, it's like a reddish color, and I also have a burgundy color. I also had a sample of this one, it's called It's Happening, and I love, love, love this color, and I was already running out. I'll swatch them for you. I got really wearable shades, except for these 2, It's Happening and Bend and Snap. But the other ones are just like natural lipsticks. So I'm really excited about them. I'll swatch It's Happening. I also got the shade Bend and Snap. This name reminds me of Legally Blonde. Have you seen Legally Blonde? Alright, so I'm going to swatch this one. Really pretty. It looks like the It's Happening color, but a little bit darker. And then the other 2, I got them mostly for work, like really natural everyday looks. This one is called Sellout. It's a really promising nude, at least for my skin tone. And the last one, it's called Suck It. Have you guys seen the series called Psychic? I think it is. I think it's called Psychic. If not, I would just put it down here, the name of the series. And between the main character and the main character's sidekick, they are always like bickering, and at some point they're really competitive, and the main character will be like saying suck it and the sidekick will say suck it back, so it'll be like suck it, and then at the very end they will both say suck it. And Jen and I do that all the time every time we start bickering. So I thought that was really funny, just showing you the nerd in me. And I'm going to swatch this one right here. It's more like a darker nude, or I don't know, like a dark mauve color. I do like these kind of colors. Now, honestly, I didn't buy these out of a whim. Before the sale, I did go to the store and I swatched all of them, and then I chose at least my 4 favorite. So I really knew how they were going to be swatched first before I got to buy them. Just letting you know. But I'm really, really excited about these because they're really, really good liquid lipsticks, and they also came with a little prize. During the sale, if you bought $40 of Too Faced, you will get this little thing. It's like a little makeup bag. This is part of like their unicorn collection, I think it is. And it comes with 2 samples, one with the 24-hour Shadow Insurance Primer, and it also came with a sample of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've tried this before, not a big fan, but yeah, pretty cool. And during the sale, I also got a little sample of the NARS blush in the shade Orgasm, just because it was my birthday month, and everyone who has their birthday between I think it's April, May, and June get this little thing. So I was super excited too. Last year I got a hairspray and I was not really excited. I still use it because I learned a little trick of cleaning pen ink from your clothes. I always get that problem at work. especially with my light uniforms. I always write them with pen, and my boss showed me that if you use hairspray, you get it out of it. And I'm like, I don't use hairspray. I don't have hairspray at all. But then I'm like, oh yeah, I do have a hairspray. I got it for my birthday. So this is how it looks like. It seems too light for my skin tone. I'm not really sure. I haven't tried it yet. I also got a few samples of perfume and some skincare samples. So that was pretty cool. I haven't tried them yet, so we'll see. Anyways, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this Ulta haul. Let me know if you got anything and what did you get. And if you would recommend it to me. I always enjoy the 21 days of beauty sale because I feel like it's even better than the Sephora VIB sale, to be completely honest. You get more of a discounted price. I did the math, and if I were to buy all of these products at a retail price, I would have spent $490. That is a lot. A lot. I mean, a lot. But I did get everything for a total of $259 with 75 cents, not including tax. And all free shipping. So anyways, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining in. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed all the products I bought, and please hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video of mine, okay? See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.